Attaching a rubber strap, step-by-step tutorial. Insert one side of the strap's pin into the hole on the watch case. Push the quick-release lever to the left and carefully align the other end with the opposite hole. If the strap doesn't click into position, push it slightly towards the case to ensure a proper fit. Now repeat the same process for the other side of the strap. Make sure both ends are securely in place before wearing your watch. And that's it! Your rubber strap is now perfectly attached to your Mercury watch. With this quick and simple method, you can easily switch straps anytime.